Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I am your host with the most, WendyO. I just got back from Rare Evo, Denver, Colorado, and it was absolutely amazing. Today we're going to talk about the insane drama with Bitboy crypto leaving crypto. And of course, is there a big Bitcoin warning? So first and foremost, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about Rare Evo because I am greasy, I am dusty, I am musty, all kinds of stuff, okay? Good news is we fixed the toilet at the house, all good. I'm just a crazy person. Well, not really because it was leaking. That's fixed. But Rare Evo was a great event. It was about Cardano. I met with a lot of different builders on Cardano. Absolutely amazing. And I like Cardano. You guys know I like Cardano. But at the event, so I'm going through a lot of personal issues right now. Most of you guys know my audience because y'all rock with me, the O Army. But my father-in-law passed away. I got the news Saturday morning and I stayed in my room the entire day. It was very, very hard. I don't do well with, well, I'm just kind of used to it at this point. So it was a very rough day. Plus there's all this other stuff going on and like I'm out of town. My daughter, like she doesn't have any more grandpas. So that was hard. That was really, really, really rough. But the event was amazing. It was a good event. And at the event, some news came out that I was unaware of. Let's go ahead and go to my Twitter because I got to pull some stuff up. And also too, if you're brand new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts. Don't grift. If you're going to grift, we got problems. We got some problems, but let's go ahead and go to my little thingamabobber over here, so I can show you guys how great the event is. And then we're going to get into the drama because y'all want to know. That's why you guys are here. All right, so let's go to my event. I attended. So we all know about Mr. Donald Trump and his adorable little mugshot right there. And I absolutely love that. And yes, I totally would. We have 312 concurrent viewers, 42 likes. So make sure to get the likes up. If you guys are going to be grifting on the channel, watching the channel and watching me grift, you need to smash the like. We need at least 300, okay? So we've got some people in here. We got Keith, we have myself, we have Grady. Grady, was you the person that I unblocked? I don't remember. Crimson, Caravan Company, James, Cybermind, Pew Pew. You look so pretty in your going out dress. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Were you there? Were you? Aldo, shout out to Raider. Raider's got my back. Bitmonkey, Miri Man, Colleen, Zach's Mommy FAQs. Love to hear it. Robo, Christopher, and Anonymous. So make sure you guys smash the like. We need at least 300 if y'all are be grifting up here with me. And I gotta grift like Donald J. Trump because why wouldn't you? But we're gonna get into it. We're also gonna be covering hold on a second. Hey, I'm live streaming right now. And we're live. So can I give you guys a call back? Thank you. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. All right, so we're back. Drama here, drama there, drama everywhere. All right, anyways, y'all, let's get back into it. So this is Rare Evo, and me and Tiffany Fong and Bitboy Crypto, we filmed a podcast together. It was a great event. We did the podcast together. It was great. I don't know what happened. Where did the one with Nye go? Oh, this picture's not showing up. I don't know why. The image is not showing up. I don't know why. But there was a picture that I posted with Function. I don't know where it went. I think they took that down. I also met Wob from Sappy Seals. Shout out to Wob. Shout out to Blonde Broker. Shout out to myself because I'm disgusting and I always travel with a banana. Shout out to Flux. I'll be there. Or Cypherpunk. I'll be there. And shout out to this project, Project Nem. Absolutely amazing. They rock with musicians, and y'all know I support musicians. So it's a very interesting event. But let's talk about some of the tea that happened. Okay. Because everybody is has no idea what the F is going on. We have 458 concurrent viewers. Make sure to smash the like. Shout out to Australia. We only have 148 likes. You guys got to do better. Y'all got to do better. As if you know Wendy always has a tea about everything. I know everything about everybody's business, and let's go ahead and talk about it. So I know most of you are here to hear about what's going on with Ben. So this was posted today by Mr. Ran. Ran's a friend of mine. We did Killer Whales together, and I yelled at him because I yelled at everyone on that show. But this was what Rand posted earlier today, and this was sent out to a mailing list for everybody at Around the Blockchain. Hello, ATB guests. Effective immediately, Ben Armstrong will no longer be working with Hit Network, BJ Investment Holdings, and subsidiary brands, including but not limited to Bitboy Crypto and Around the Blockchain. This decision has not been easy. However, after long consideration, we are confident it is the only path forward. If you have any questions, please reach out to Drew. So let's talk about this. What does this mean? So this basically means that there is an email that was sent out to all of the guests, all of the audience members of around the blockchain. And that's a show that I've been on. Yeah, I know my hair's musty, dusty, crusty, but that happens when you travel. So anyways, so that email was sent out, and people are also pulling screen caps from a private chat that same information was posted in. And I don't like that. I'm gonna tell you all right now, I don't like people that share personal information. I think it's ghetto. I think it's so ghetto. It's one thing to gossip, but when you share personal information from a chat, it's not cool. But anyways, that email, that's pretty much public knowledge because it was sent out to everybody. So let's talk about it. So that email does indicate that Ben, which is a good friend of mine, is no longer going to be a part of his own channel. I don't know exactly how that is going to work. I don't know what that means. I have talked to a few people. I have heard a lot of very interesting things. I don't know what exactly is going on though. And because we're in a bear market, I'm gonna put y'all in some game right now. Because we're in a bear market, all of the attention is going to be on this. It's going to be on this because Bitcoin is doing nothing, okay? All the attention is going to be on what's going on with Bitboy and with Hit Network and that group because it's a very, very large company. And also, too, they've got a lot of audience members. So one thing I don't like spreading false rumors. You're going to see a lot of false rumors being spread because that's what people do, especially in crypto Twitter, because there's a lot of trash there, okay? But the thing is, there might be some truth to some things we don't know yet. So on the O channel, on the O army, if you guys are watching this, smash the likes. And yes, I'm a like grifter. I will grift so hard on that like. The reason why is because it pushes this out to more and more people. But one of the things I'm going to tell you guys, there's going to be a lot of information coming out. I know the Hit Network team, they're going to be putting out an official statement tomorrow. Because there's a lot of things said, and you're going to see a lot of drama, like especially if you go through the mentions here on Rand's post, you're going to see a lot of different things, a lot of opinions. And you all know what people say about opinions. Nick Diamandi will make a formal statement on Monday. Down over here, I thought Ben was Bitboy Crypto and the brand was built around him. Some of the guys that got smarter and new snake oil salesmen are just that. What is going on? I thought he owned those entities. Hit Network, a formal statement will be made. This right here from Crypto Stevo, I don't like this. Like this is ghetto. Okay, I used to be a chat mod for old Bitboy Crypto. My guess is irreconcilable differences between Ben and his former partners at Hit Network around the blockchain. This was putting it kindly. If you want more juicy insider information, feel free to DM me. See, that's ghetto. Okay, we don't do that. I don't like that on the show. But people are going around saying that, everybody's gloating. They're talking about things, like a lot of interesting things are coming out. So what do we do in cases like this when this happens? Let's talk about it. And yeah, I've heard different things from different people, different things. 675 concurrent viewers, only 240 likes. You guys are grifting hard. Large community. Why so? Is this clickbait? Why would Bitboy leave? I'm talking. Is he going into hiding? Is this related to stake? Favorite band, Wendy? Ooh, my favorite band? Oof. I love Hanoi Rocks. Absolutely, I love Hanoi Rocks. Susie, shout out to Susie. This was Cruel. Not this year, the year before. But my favorite band of all time. I've been listening to Tim Capella from The Lost Boys too. I love that movie. I love all the songs there. My favorite band of all time. I don't know. I'd have to think about it. I love the Misfits. I love Danzig too. But let's talk about this, okay? Because this is not FUD. This is actually real. And I can confirm that this is real. I do have to be very careful about what I say because I have enough legal things going on in my personal life. Some of you guys that, have been watching the channel, But the way that we go about things on this channel is we get information. We dissect it. We talk about the pros. We talk about the cons. And then I ask you to hear what I say, but I ask you to listen yourself. And that basically means when I'm giving you information, when I'm analyzing information, when I'm reading charts, when we're talking about numbers, we're talking about fundamental analysis, whatever news stories, whatever that may be, the information that I'm giving you is only one side, okay? It's only one side, and it is your job to continue to do your due diligence. And I also am a big advocate. I'm not a big gossiper. I don't like, and also too, like there's this poly guy, he's like doxing people's family on crypto Twitter, all kinds of weird stuff. Like don't be ghetto. Don't be that person. But we're going to get more information tomorrow. Hit Network is going to put out a official statement. So we essentially have to wait for that to kind of confirm what happened. But also too, there is another post I want to show you. So hold on a second. I'm going to pull it up. This is important. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this right here. So Ben actually did post something on crypto Twitter or crypto X. Okay, this is his coin. His coin now. We'll talk about this. This is Ben. TJ Shed and Justin Williams have attempted to coup at my company. Just confirming what is going around. There has been a mutiny at Bitboy Crypto and Hit Network, but it won't work. They have no leverage until they can clone me. I have nothing to worry about. So that was said. And we go through some of the mentions here. Everywhere Tom goes, a coup is happening. Shout out to Tom Crown. Join the Telegram chat on Tuesday. So it looks like Ben is going to be, so guessing BenCoin is done. Nope. It sounds like Ben is going to be coming out with a statement on Tuesday, and then Monday is going to be Hit Network that's going to come out. Okay. So this is all public information is on Twitter. So we're going to get more information tomorrow about exactly what happened. I think it's important to look at both sides of the stuff. Because again, I'm not part of Hit Network. I've appeared on the show and whatnot. These are people that I know, I've talked to a lot, whatever. I'm getting a lot of people messaging me, and I don't have an answer for a lot of you. What I can do is I can direct you where we have information. That's important. And also too, people, is he going into hiding? I don't think he would go into hiding. I also don't think that, was he scamming with BenCoin? I don't know if okay, see, this is the thing with BenCoin. I didn't touch BenCoin. We never really talked about it on the channel. Like, I had you guys that were like excited. You're like, when are you going to get in BenCoin? Like, are you going to get it? You know, Ben's your friend. I don't really like to talk about what meme coins that I decide to dump a little bit of disposable income in. And the reason why is when you do that, like we have a live stream every Sunday. I haven't been doing them, but I'm going to start doing it again. But the reason why is like when we're talking about meme coins, because a lot of this stuff doesn't have a lot of liquidity. Like I can get in 2 minutes. I can literally get in 60 seconds before I get on the stream. I could say, hey, get this. I just got into it. Or I just got into this. You guys are going to get in it. And then I could have already taken profit and the thing could dump. Or I might not even have a chance to take profit and the thing could dump. So that's why we really don't talk about meme coins too much on this channel. Is BenCoin a meme coin? I don't think it's a meme coin now. I think he's super serious about it. But at the same time, the person that he acquired the project from is not a good guy in any way, shape, or form. So I never participated in BenCoin. I never asked for any. I was never given any. I never put my own money into it. None of that stuff. So is BenCoin a scam? I don't think it is. But then again, I don't know. And just because I say I don't know doesn't mean that you should just honestly believe my words, because that wouldn't be beneficial for you, you know? It's always good to do your due diligence. Do your due diligence. Let me go ahead and read some more from the chat. Just saw you with Ben. Yeah, I was with Ben this week, and we have a podcast together. We used to have a podcast together. I don't know if this was related to stake or not. Tim trying to take over everything. First Jeb, now Bitboy. Tim? I don't think Tim was behind it, though. We'll hear from both. Yeah, exactly what Raider said. And this is not clickbait. This is real. Like this really, really did happen. And also to you guys, just so you know, we have 895 concurrent viewers, 326 likes. One of the things about YouTube is YouTube favors clickbait. So if I don't put clickbait here, if I don't put clickbait on the thing, on the title, you guys won't watch it. And it's not because necessarily, well, it is partially you, because a lot of people have low IQs and they just like to click on clickbait stuff. But that's okay, because we're brought up on reality TV like Mob Wives Kardashians. So with that being said, we're going to get more information tomorrow from Hit Network side, and then we're going to get additional information from Ben. And then I'm sure their attorneys are going to hash it out. They're going to go through things, whatever that means. So can Bitboy actually be removed from his own channel? Well, it depends how they set up the entity. Is BenCoin not good? I have no idea. I have no idea. I like y'all to do your due diligence on stuff. Could this be BenCoin related? I don't know. A lot of people are asking me a lot of questions on different things, whatever, but also to you guys, you have to remember that he does have a family. So it is very important to respect his family's privacy, and you don't have to like him. I mean, you don't have to respect him, but you should be showcasing decency. Decency is a basic human right. That's just my opinion, but you don't want to like my opinion. I don't really care. I give my opinion, and sometimes I talk about hard truths because somebody's got to do it. Someone's got to do it. But let's go ahead and take a quick look at the crypto markets. And yes, I'll be dropping some tea as I'm talking about this as well, because I can. All right, so this is the current crypto market. DYDX, it's a decentralized exchange. This is up 4.4%. Decentralized exchanges could potentially be labeled as broker dealers. The reasons why the Biden administration wants to do this is because they want you to KYC so they could pay. INJ is down 5%, OP down 4.1%, TON is up 2.3%, et cetera. So the market's not really doing too terribly much. There's nothing super exciting going on with the market, but let's take a look at Bitcoin. Okay. So looks like we did get the daily candle close, and it closed today about an hour and a half. So let's go ahead and analyze. And again, you guys, I told you about this range here to look for about 27,000 to about 25,300. Also smash the like if you're watching, and I will be dropping some tea as we're doing the technical analysis. Also too, shout out to CryptoFace. I talked to him. I talked to mostly every single influencer in the entire industry today. Talked to a lot of people. I don't like gossip. It makes me nervous. All right. So if we take a look at Market Cypher is kind of flat. MACD just bear crossed, and it looks like we're going to continue to head down. So as far as Bitcoin goes, last week we had a swing wick high to approximately $29,700. And again, we're going to start doing the coin requests every Sunday. And basically what it is in the chat, you guys can comment coins. I'll grab the ones that I can chart and we'll go ahead and chart them. None of that's financial advice. It's just me being me. Oh, I'm sorry, that was the wrong candle. Duh. All right, so we had a swing wick high to 26.9. Then we had a swing wick low to about 25.3. And then we opened here at about 26.2. And then we closed right over here, $26,000. Okay. We closed right over there. Okay. Now, with that being said, we've created a brand new range. Well, it's not really a brand new range. It's kind of what we've been doing for quite some time. Okay. And when we do take a look at the daily, let's see if we can see anything. This right here, MACD looks like it wants a bull cross and it wants to head up, but at the same time, and also too, you guys, under Hit Network, there's a lot of content creators there, a lot of content creators. Okay, does this mean the Frenemies podcast is over? I don't know yet, so I have no idea. Oh, thank you for calling me pretty, Christopher. I look gross right now. We also have 875 concurrent viewers, only 405 likes. At least smash likes, get them up. So who produces Frenemies? Hit Network does. Can you buy Ben coin on MetaMask? I have no idea. Bear flag on weekly? Maybe. We'll see. But there's a lot of never buying any coin pushed by a YouTuber. That's funny. Hunters Blow, because we push Bitcoin all the time on this channel. So I don't know if you own Bitcoin or not. But yeah, no, that's a good tactic. If you don't want to buy a coin because a YouTuber talks about it, that could work too. Or if you just do your due diligence, you might learn something. That's the problem is the things that happen is with the YouTubers, is people just buy and they don't do due diligence and they blame it on the influencers, the YouTubers, or whatever it is. And that's the same with beauty products in the beauty industry. It's like I was on TikTok and I saw the snail stuff for my face. I bought it. It didn't even work good. Same in every industry. But that being said, there's a lot of content creators over at Hit Network, and I don't know what's going to happen with Stake. Who knows what's going to happen? Like, who in the actual F knows what's going to happen? Bear flag on Bitboy career. Well, that means like something. Just kidding. I don't know. All right, but let's go ahead and go back. This is a lot of consolidation, a lot of contractions that we're seeing take place with Bitcoin. And that's going to indicate a volatile move. Okay. Right now it is looking like we're going to get an upward move. But again, I'm not really bullish until we actually break above these swing wick highs that we've seen and break above $27,000. Okay. And we take a look at the 6 hour, where market cipher printed a red dot. MACD is kind of still running upwards. So it's just a lot more confusion here. 4 hour chart, the same thing. It actually is going to look down. So ultimately, and you guys are going to love me for this. You're going to love me for this, but I'm going to be super honest with you. I'm expecting some more consolidation and more ping pong with Bitcoin. And I'm looking for a breakout of 27,000 to about 29,000, or I'm actually going to look for a breakdown to about 24.5, or possibly down closer to this range at about $23,000 for right now. So that's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. And obviously, if we do decide to dump, altcoins will continue to tank because that's what they do. So be cautious. Right now, the chart is not looking super clear to me as far as Bitcoin direction. So I wouldn't take a position. Oh, also too, I always have to say this. I always forget. And people always ask me, Wendy, where are you trading? I forgot to say, I'm trading over at Femex. Okay. Trading over at Femex. I do have a ref link down below. Let's talk about that a little bit. Just because I'm trading over at Femex doesn't mean that you have to. Just because that's the exchange that I'm using right now doesn't mean that you have to. You should do your due diligence on it. You should also understand that if you leave any money on a centralized exchange, not your money, not your keys, not your coins. So that being said, Femex is cool. That's what I use. Great. You can sign up with the ref link. If not, that's fine. But if you do sign up, you need to do your due diligence. Another important thing to denote is that when we're talking about the drama with Ben, there's going to be a lot more drama to unfold, a lot more this week. So we have Hit Network that's going to come out and make an official statement. It looks like Ben has been tweeting from the Ben Coin account. And it looks like he also too on Twitter, he doesn't have access to the Bitboy account right now. So I don't know exactly legally how that's happening or what that looks like or what's going to transpire with that. But this is going to be his, this is what his account looks like on Twitter. And there's just really no pictures of there's that picture of him here, but they took a couple pictures down. They still have Ben Coin here, which is up. But yeah, they pretty much took down all the pictures of him. Actually, let's just go to media up here and make it easy for everyone. So I don't know, like to me, just because I'm seeing the stuff still up, maybe he will be able to have access back to it. But it looks like they took down quite a bit of pictures of him. Well, he's up here and down here. So I don't know. I have no idea. There's this post about Dubai. Is he going to Dubai? I have no idea if he's going to Dubai or not. Don't know yet. So it's like we're all waiting to kind of find out what's going to happen because none of us know. And again, I know him pretty well. So I don't know. But as far as Bitcoin goes, we're just going to continue to go sideways. Nothing too terribly sexy. I appreciate you guys popping into the stream. I know it's a last minute stream. 925 concurrent viewers. I don't really have anything else for you guys. You taking all coin requests? Sure. Shoot me something. Shoot me something. Give me a thing. When somebody said ICP, let's go ahead and do ICP. I'll take a couple coin requests for you guys since we're doing this, since I got you here. I do have to call my daughter back though. I haven't talked to her. Well, actually I talked to her this morning. She was super cute. She's with her dad. She's with her papa right now. I'm a little stink. I miss her so much, and I won't see her until tomorrow night because we've got a family emergency going on. Well, I don't even know if it's my family anymore. I'm just here at this point. Honestly, I'm just freaking here. All right. So this is ICP. I like ICP. Just because I like ICP doesn't mean you shouldn't buy it. And again, this is a coin request. This is not financial analysis or advice, blah, blah, blah. So ICP is completely retraced. We're currently trading at approximately $3.29. All right. When we're in a bear market, and yes, we are in a bear market, I like to zoom the actual F out. And again, oops, sorry guys, here you go. This is what we're looking like over here. Sorry, apologize about that. When we're in a bear market, I like to watch these things. Okay. I like to watch this stuff, especially if I think that things could potentially go lower. We're kind of at a crucial level for ICP. Currently trading at $3.46. I like to stay cautious. This would be a risky play for me just because we don't necessarily have any more support. What does that mean? Well, support areas are the candle butts and swing wick highs, swing wick lows, and blah, 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 support and resistance, kind of interchangeable or the inverse. But anyways, with that being said, this would be a risky play to buy here because if we do dump more, then things can get a little bit gnarly and your position would be underwater. So what I'm seeing as far as ICP goes, when we take a look at the daily, we just printed a red dot on market cipher. It does look like it's going to test this low level here, $3.29. Taking a look at MACD is doing this. Taking a look at the 4 hour really quick. 4 hours indicating some more downward movement. So as far as ICP goes, I would probably be super cautious here. If you're somebody that wants to invest in this thing long term, I would maybe wait. Or, this is a nice range over here between $3.69 to approximately $3.29. However, we can drop even lower because we got that swing wick lower over here. But I would just be cautious. Like this would be a good range potentially. But at the same time, if we nuke even further down, yikes. I do think ICP is a more legitimate project. I know that they had some drama and some issues with FTX and with Sam. And again, that was freaking crazy. But I would just be a little bit cautious with that. Be a little bit cautious with that with ICP. All right, let me check the chat. See what else we got. Okay. I'll take a couple altcoins requests. 950 concurrent viewers, 538 likes. I need at least 900, so you guys should stop grifting. Who can you trust now? Let's talk about that really quick. Okay, let me write these down. XRP, hbar, write a couple of these down. And you guys, to support me, you can use my ref link. If not, that is fine too. So, hbar, quant. QNT. So this is the thing. A lot of you are doing, so somebody says, who can you trust now? Let's talk about who you can trust. Who can you trust? Oh my God. You can trust yourself. You can trust yourself. What does that mean? That basically means you listen to YouTubers, you hear all these people out the side of their neck, but you listen to yourself. And just because I'm saying something, or just because Bitboy says something, or Altcoin Daily, or Rand, or whoever it is, what you do is you hear that. You hear that statement. It means you hear the statement. Look at my crazy hair. I'm so dirty. I hate flying. People are gross. This guy was freaking sneezing next to me. So I'm like, ugh. But anyways, what that means is you hear what you listen, you hear what we say, and then you listen to yourself. It means you continue to go do more due diligence. Okay. I also got a market cipher ref link below. Yeah. Shameless shilling. Yeah. Don't care. I don't have white toenails anymore, but that's what you got to do. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at, somebody said XRP. We'll do a quick XRP. All right, this is XRP here. Whoa, where's my other chart? I had better stuff. Okay, so this is XRP over here. And shout out to the O Army that took profit on the way up of this pump. Absolutely love you guys. I had someone that sold at 90 cents. I would said, they DM me, said, Wendy, thank you so much for telling me to consider taking profit. And again, I don't tell y'all to do anything. All right. So right now with XRP, we are currently trading between 54 cents and approximately 49 cents. It looks like we are going to retest this trend line here. This trend line was just kind of drawn just to be like, kind of show what was going on. I think we'll just put it there for now. This is not drawn to scale because it's got this other swing wick low here. It broke the barrier. But anyways, with that being said, we can do it and do this a little bit lower there. Okay. It does look like we're going to test this lower area of support here at about 49 cents, and that's okay. But it does look like MACD is going to bull cross on the daily and kind of pop back up. But let's take a look at the lower time frames and see a better picture. Taking a look at MACD, it does look like it wants to bottom, like cross and head downward. So with XRP, we could get another move back down to around 50 cents. And then I would watch to see what happens here, 49 cents. This is going to be very, very important because we kind of tapped on this trend line or close to it a few times. And we do break down below it. We will see 45 cents to about 41 cents with XRP. Now, when we want to take a look at HBAR, and again, I think HBAR is a pretty cool project as well. And that's not financial advice. Just because I think it's cool doesn't mean that you need to go buy it today. You need to go do your due diligence and do stuff. So this is HBAR. This is kind of what the move that we talked about. And this is kind of what's playing out. We're going to continue to retest this trend line and pop upwards. So thus far, we've done okay. Kind of okay. And I'm going to kind of stick with this too. Like right now, we're currently sitting on this trend line here. Market Cipher did print a red dot. So it does look like we want to head down. MACD, however, does look like it wants to bear cross and head down. So I'd be cautious to see. Like if we broke below 56 cents, I'd be like, yikes, yikes. But then again, we got the swing look low that happened here at about 5 cents. Also, too, you guys, we have 920 concurrent viewers, only 590 likes. Smash the like. Get it up, get it up, get it up. I'm not doing Polkadot because I heard some horrible things about one of the guys there. So I don't want to do that there. We'll talk about Bitboy again. Bitboy is currently no longer with Hit Network. That is 100% true. 100% true. 100% true. So I don't know what's going to end up coming out of it, but there's going to be lots of drama, lots more drama. Make sure to smash a like. We have 900 of you in here. We're only 600 likes. Do better. But with the Hedera, where's my little thingamabobber? Ugh. I'm so freaking tired, you guys. Where Evo was good, but it was like when you have a family member that passes away, that was hard. I just started crying. I was just like, oh my God, it just sucks. It just sucks. And like my personal life is so complicated right now. Like I can't even be there in the capacity that I want to be there. Just effing sucks. Really, really does. Not very happy about it, about any of it, but it's life. So anyways, we do have another support box here between about 5.054 and 0.05 here. So if we do lose support at 0.055, this is the area I would look for. But right now, HBAR is looking a little bit bearish to me. Just because if we take a look at the 4 hour, it looks like it wants to bear cross and head down. Taking a look at the daily is also indicating some more downward movement. So I'm kind of looking for that retest there. Let's take a look at Quant because somebody wanted it. And if you guys like the video, maybe I'll stay around longer. Let's take a look at Quant. At the Quant, QNT. Is that it? QNT? Quantalicious. Is this it? This is the right one? Yeah. All right. I don't really know too much about the fundamentals of Quant. So if someone wants to show me in the chat, great. All right. But this is Quant. Quant's doing pretty good going sideways, really, if you think about it. But let's go ahead and do a naked chart. We love naked charts on this channel because it gives you a different perspective. Okay. All right. So we've got support here. We did get that swing wick low that happens. So right now, when we take a look at the daily, let me see. MACD is kind of doing okay. Taking a look at market cipher, it looks like it kind of wants to head down. So what we can do is we can draw a cute little trend line here with these swing wick highs, these candles. So right now we would need to see a breakout of at least $104. Okay. When we take a look at 4 hour chart, we got that bear cross. We're just kind of consolidating. So right now, this is not giving me clear guidelines over clear guidance over here. I would watch for the support about 101. So I'd watch for something like this. Okay. I would definitely watch for something like this. Okay. I would do something like this. This is what I would want to see for a bullish case. However, I would really watch to see what happens when we get to that support area of $101. Okay. $101. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Quant hasn't had any bullish news action since April. Well, yeah, we're in a freaking bear market. Okay. Yeah. Have you talked about Ben at least? Yeah. Let's go ahead and sum up. Let's go ahead and sum up. Okay. So thank you for smashing the likes. You guys get the likes up. That helps push us out to as many people as possible. So basically what happened with Ben is there was an email that was put out or sent out to the Hit Network. There was an email that was sent out to around the blockchain audience that Ben is no longer with Hit Network, no longer with Bitboy Crypto, none of it. He doesn't have access to his Twitter account. He was tweeting from the BenCoin account. People are speculating as to what happened, and you're going to see a lot of lies, a lot of BS. So Hit Network is going to come out and they're going to give an explanation as to what happened, like, you know, whatever, a statement. And then Ben is also going to come out and give his own statement. It looked like Ben is going to give statements in the Telegram chat from BenCoin, so y'all can find out more about that there. But again, I'm telling you right now, I would not believe in anything you read on crypto Twitter. I would, like, maybe a little bit of it is true, but for the most part, I would be very cautious what you read there, because there's a lot of people that don't like him that are going to spew absolute garbage out the side of their neck. And these people that don't like him, they're going to be making things up as well. Only thing I'm going to tell you guys is there's things I can and I can't say. I do know that this is 100% real. This is not drama. This is not fake. This is not fun. Like, it's a really ugly thing for a lot of people. But at the end of the day, this is life. This is what happens. So the only thing that I'm asking you guys is to do your due diligence before making a judgment. And in addition to that, keep his family out of it, because he's got kids and they're innocents in this. But anyways, WendyO is out. I got to go. Make sure to smash like and share this. I got some stuff to do around the house. I got some laundry to do. But if you guys are brand new to the channel, thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. She totally misread that thumbs up. Your mom misread that. Have you at least talked to Ben since it happened? No, I have not. I have not. Anyway, sending you all love and light. 988 concurrent viewers, only 685 likes. Smash a like, get it up, and, you know, let's just hope that people are okay. Just because you don't like somebody, nothing happened at Rare Evo. As far as I know, it was nothing that happened at Rare Evo. A lot of people are speculating something happened at Rare Evo because they're stupid, but I don't think anything happened at Rare Evo. I didn't see anything happen, and I was there. But again, people are going to speculate and they're going to make up lies. So before you start spreading drama and gossip and like saying dumb stuff, just make sure you have your sources correct and make sure where you get your sources from. Okay. Anyways, sending everybody love and light. WendyO is out. If you're brand new to the channel, thank you for being here. If not, I'll see you again, because I appreciate you, beautiful people. Bye-bye.